Hello everyone, hello Leos, how are you? So this is your career, business and money reading for September month, Leo. So let's see what we have. Hopefully some awesome stuff, Leo, here. This is the general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so take whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your sun, moon and Venus rising, so you could check out those videos as well. They could resonate. So let's see now. Just this shuffle, Leos. Ten of Swords, Leos. This is talking about September. You are getting into a new cycle. Ten of Swords. Your previous hurt, your previous sorrows, previous situations are moving. You are moving away from that. You are going to a new cycle in September. From your difficult situation, from your difficult, maybe some of you have lost jobs, some of you have lost businesses. So in your recent past, maybe because COVID has done a lot of damage, so definitely September, you are coming out of that cycle, new phase starting for you, so this is not a negative card at all. It talks about you entering a new phase, a new cycle, Leo, here. So this is card. Now let me check. What is this? This is the clarification card here. Justice. So here it feels that now you have been working hard on situations, and definitely you will get justice. This is what I feel here. Justice will be coming to you. This is a yes card usually, that if you have been waiting for something wherein you have gone through a lot of pain and disappointment, it's coming out. Justice is also, you can relate it to your karma, kind of whatever hard work you have done. Positively, things will fall in your favor now. Also it talks about law. If there is any case, legal battle that you are fighting, it is coming in your favor. If there are for personal reasons, if some of you or maybe very few of you are going through divorce, settlement, so that case is coming in your favor here. This is what I get with this card. Also speaks like a news of a promotion for some of you here with this Justice card. It could also be that maybe you need to just go to the court. You might just have to need to visit the courts for an appearance regarding taxation or any other there could be inheritance issues. So whatever it is in your favor, and the talk of a promotion for some of you here. If it is alimony regarding a divorce, so it's in your favor. This is what I get with this Justice card. Now let us see what else for you. Now this is for very few of you, but definitely you are going through a new cycle, new phase in September. Things that have not worked for you previously in August will start working for you in September with the Ten of Swords here. Gone are the pain and sorrow, no more anymore. You are coming out of that in September here. So next card, definitely the Sun. So this is a Leo card also. So of course there is happiness at home or in professional. It talks about overall growth, expansion, feeling happy, warm, feeling positive. This is what I feel here. Birth of a child in some of birth of a child in some homes. So overall very positive card. It talks about expanding your new ideas, your business, your moving places, traveling. Lot of traveling here, long distance traveling also, national, international, whatever it is, so this is it is also growth in your religion and spirituality. You are taking interest into that also. So it's a beautiful, most beautiful, one of the most beautiful card. Overall happiness, growth coming to you, Leos. So very, very positive card here. It's just that maybe you will get some new innovative ideas for home, work situation, and they will come to life. Whatever you will be working will come to life, means will grow towards the success that you want here. So this is the time to take action, Leo. But you need, because you also have this Justice card, when I see it together, you need to have your fundamentals in place. Do not rush into situations. This is what I get here. And let us see what was the clarification for the sun. So this is the sun card clarification. So it's about, again, that's what I told you, you have been waiting for an expansion in your business, a negotiation, a collaboration, a deal coming through here. You get this sun, it's a yes card, it's coming in your favor. Anyway, Three of Wands is also about yes card, that things are going into favor, so it's a double yes card. So those of you waiting for something, you are waiting, you are in a position of strength, a business, money situation, association, so you have that. So definitely it's a positive card that things will go in your favor if it's it is like you will not need to compromise on your negotiating or your negotiation. You don't have to compromise. You will get what you are with the sun, and this is strong that it's going to be a very profitable deal for you, whatever you are working in September. For whatever you have been waiting in September, it's coming here. So this is what I get. Also with Three of Wands, I feel you're planning for the future. The sun card also, it could be, you're planning for the future. But this one thing what I would say, that do not take undue risk. Avoid undue risk, which you totally unknown things. Just be a little, go slow, and wherever risk is not needed, please do not take. I also am into astrology, so wherein I feel that this the last week of this month, September, do not take any new ideas, do not execute any new idea, new plans. Just that week, be careful, because it's not a great week. It will not get you the desired result, the last week of September. So whoever wants planning for that, new business, just if you could delay it, you can take it either before or after, but the last week alone, do not start something new if possible, if you could delay it. So this is what I'm getting here. Let's see what else, Leo. Basically, I see, also I feel that you are working towards, there could be some delays, because you also have the, Ten of Swords here, little delays, little snags in your little disappointments, but it's okay, you will come through. It could be home or professional, anything. Yeah. So this is Five of Pentacles, I think in last reading also. So some of you still feeling left out, feeling cold in the sense that feeling left out, cold, still your situation hasn't improved, but you need to understand this. This is a guidance card, basically, Five of Pentacles, that things are not working as you were thinking would work. For some of you here, but you need to understand, you need to look around yourself. Solutions are there around you. If you see things around you, seeing things with different perspective. Here you can see in this card, this person, they are walking in a very cold, in a very sorrow state, in a very poor state, but they have Five Pentacles card here. So you can see here the money situation. If you are feeling stressed out, you're burnt out of your finances, so it talks about just have a look around. There is opportunity around, there is a help around, which will help you, but for that you need to turn around and see things. Seeing things by broadening your thinking, or asking for help, or reaching out to people. This is what I feel. That's what get back to real situation. Again, I would say here, get back to reality. Now clarification card. Yeah, so this is only you will move forward. Chariot card is talking here. It talks about chariot, forward movement, balancing your negative positive situation together to move forward. This is also talking about journey. So some of you might need to take a journey to walk away from this Five of Pentacles energy. You need to move forward. Journeys for some of you here. This is the Cancer card. Cancer, and also there could be Capricorn, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus being of help to you here. And with the Cancer person, somebody from Cancerian can help you out of this stressful situation, or you could working with them here. This is what I get. So you need, for moving forward, you need that balance, you need that focus, you need to balance your negative positive. Just don't look at your sorrow state. You also have got a lot of positives before, so balance it out and then move forward. This is what adverse conditions alone you do not need to think. There have been better times. Think about those times. Life is not a one kind of a plain okay happening. Everybody goes, the rich to the poor, to everybody goes through their ups and downs, and it's very, very painful. It's equally painful for anybody, either the richest or somebody at the bottom. So there are difficult times and it will pass by. Just that you need to balance yourself, remain focused, and then you are gonna move forward from this situation here in September. Plan for your future. This is what I feel here. Let me just one more card, and I think you will need loans also. There could be some health issues which I feel with the Ten of Swords, Five of Pentacles. So be careful. Do not take a lot of stress at work. Delegate your work. Maybe loans will come through if you have applied for loans here, because I see a slightly financial stressful situation financially here, but do not take undue risk in business. This is all just an advice. Ace of Cups and clarification card, the Tower. Okay, I feel this is what I told you, that for any new idea, maybe we are doing this last card, it's about the end of September. I'm thinking end of September, any ideas, anything, do not take any new idea and you don't work on that end of September, because this is the last card, fourth card I was pulling out with this clarification. It talks about Tower. So you wouldn't get the results that you will expect from this Ace of Cups. It's about the new beginnings, new ideas. Do not start anything in the last week. Again, I don't know, intuitively I just got this was the last card being pulled out. So maybe this idea will work in October or before that, but there is something that you will crumble down. It will not work, Leo. So do not take any undue risk. Again, I'm saying you, this is just an advice. Do not take any undue risk. This is about the last week. There is a Tower movement here. Maybe you'll have to face losses again, and this also talks when I see the cards, I feel here that you need to need to remove your stress, do some yoga, do some meditation, listen to calming music, go for a walk. It will re-energize you, it will refocus you, look for spiritual growth. It helps in us to move from difficult times in a much peaceful manner. Even if you're not the happiest, but you're going to be at peace. So that is sometimes the foremost requirement. Stay positive, because positive thoughts attract positive things. So always stay positive. Don't be in this Five of Pentacles energy. It will only attract negative for you. So come out of that, reach out to people, reach out for help. This is what I feel here. Get a little self-discipline, otherwise I feel that things are fine for you. So now just the angel guidance card here. Money wise, I'm just watching. Okay, so people you may deal with are Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Then there is Wands energy, Leo, Aries and Sagittarius. Then also there is Capricorn, Virgo and Taurus. Okay, you have all signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and it's about moving forward with self-discipline, with focus, not taking undue risk. You are going to, when you implement new strategies, new way of thinking, that is what I feel here. So overall, good month. Let me pull out an angel guidance card. You have the Sun card here, so stay positive. What else? There is expansion, there is something new, something new. When you have the Sun card, it is always that you need to look at the positive side of things here. It talks about positivity coming here. So this is it. Let me see the angel guidance. Self-resilience. So don't be afraid to self-reliance. Don't be afraid to fly solo. even if you have to take an idea forward alone, don't be afraid. Self-reliance, be your, you believe in yourself. This is what I get. One more card. Friendships. Okay, so friends are gonna help you, Leo. Invest your time and in friendship. It's gonna help you in business, career and money situation too. So this is it. Thanks for watching the video. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Until then, take care, bye, and see you in the weekly career, money, business readings ahead. Thank you so much.